Welcome to online classes. Now I will explain about Darwaja gas crater, which is included here, but here not mentioned Darwaja. So I will explain. It is additional information to your lesson. Darwaja gas crater, also known as the door to hell or gates of hell. It is a natural gas field collapsed into a cavern located in Derwaze, Derwezd, Turkmenistan. Geologists internationally set it on fire to prevent the spread of methane gas, as it is thought to have been burning continuously since 1971. The gas crater had a total area of 5,350 meters square. Its diameter is 69 meters and its depth is 30 meters. Details about Darwaja gas crater. Country Turkmenistan. Region Darwaze Al-Hal province. Whether it is offshore or onshore, it is onshore. Offshore means which is nearby the sea, coastal area, that is offshore, and there is in the desert, so it is onshore. Field history. Discovery of this gas crater 1971. Abandonment 1971. The Turkmen government hopes that the crater will become a popular tourist attraction. Yes, the Turkmenistan government hopes that the crater will become a popular tourist attraction. The surrounding area is also popular for the wild desert camping. Now, I will tell about the geography of the Darwaja gas crater. The gas crater is located near the village of Derwaze, also known as Darwaja. It is in the middle of the Karakum Desert, about 260 km north of Ashgabat, the capital of Turkmenistan. The gas reserve found here in one of the largest in the world. It is how many largest resources of gas? It is the one of the largest field. The name door to hell was given to the field by the locals, referring to the fire, boiling mud and orange flames in the large crater, which has a diameter of 70 meters. The hot spot range over an area with a width of 60 meters. Now the history of Darwaja gas crater. According to the Turkmen geologist Bushmakin, the site was identified by Soviet engineers in 1971. It was originally thought to be a substantial oil field site. The engineers set up a drilling rig and operation to assess the quantity of oil available at the site. Soon after, the preliminary survey found a natural gas pocket. The ground beneath drilling rig and camp collapsed into the white crater and was buried. Expecting dangerous release of poisonous gases from the cavern, a care specially on that is large and mostly underground. The cavern into nearby towns, the engineers considered it advisable to burn the gas off. It was estimated that the gas would burn out within a few weeks, but it has instead continued to burn for 49 years, and it is expected to keep on burning. So till 2020 it is almost 49 years. It's burning, continuing. The early years of crater's history are uncertain. Local geologists say the collapse into a crater happened in the 1960s and the gases were not set on fire until 1980s. There are, however, no records available of either the Soviet or Turkmen version of events. In April 2010, the President of Turkmenistan visited the site and ordered that the hole should be closed. In 2013, he declared the part of Karakum Desert with the crater a nature reserve. In 2019, he appeared on state television. The crater was featured in an episode of the National Geographic Channel series in the July 16, 2014 episode, The Crater of Fire. Explorer George Cornish became the first person to set at the bottom, gathering samples of extremophile microorganism. An edited photograph of the crater was also released as publicity for the then coming 2014 Godzilla film, with the image depicting monarch agents and vehicles investigate the site. It is the complete history of this Darwaje gas crater. It is involved in this book. The details already given, so you can also search out in the website about the doors to hell, so you can find out possible queries. If you have, you can find out. Shortly I will send you some pictures related to this. Section 2, entering the door to hell. Different pictures I will send as PDF file so that you can understand, you can get the clear idea about this real story. Till it is existing in Turkmenistan, and George Cornish was the first explorer who ascended there with the help of various instruments and equipments. Now that's all for today. Additional information just to clarify your brain, and you can also understand about these things. Thank you very much.